Hello, friends. Happy Women's Day. Do you know the importance given to a woman in early civilization? Woman is considered as the creator of universe and was given a great respect. Not only as a creator, she was given an equal or can even say a step ahead respect than male. In Yajurveda, it is said that Sa Vishvayuha, Sa Vishnukarmaha, Sa Vishwadvayaha, Indrasya Tvabhagam, Samen Achami, Vishnu Havya Rakshaha. Sa means woman in this shloka, and the meaning goes like this. Woman is the life of all universe. She is the creator. She is the one who holds all as a mother. She is the one who controls senses and life. She must be bought well with a good protection and with a good medication. At another shloka which says that woman is the eye of a nation, that is Nari Rashya Anki Astihi. And a famous mantra or a shloka or a saying which says that Yatra Naryanti Pujante Ramante Tatra Devataha. God rejoices where women are worshipped. To state a few great women in ancient India, from prophets, dynamic Maitreyi and Gargeyi are very famous, who were given equal respect as that of male prophets, namely Vasishta and Vishwamitra from Hinduism. To quote, for example, equal importance was even given at the time of Ramayana. Kaikeyi is a very good fighter or a warrior who was at par with the male fighters. And when it comes to Mahabharata, in Shanti Parvam, Bhishma Pitamaha said, a teacher who teaches true knowledge is important than 10 instructors. Father is more important than 10 such teachers of true knowledge. And the mother is most important than 10 such fathers. There is no great guru than mother. And in Chanakya Niti, a woman is compared to Jam, that is Sri Ratnam. Dignity and equality was given in every field of the society. But suddenly, in the Middle Age civilization, a woman is considered secondary. She is suitable for the household chores. It is compromised and still being compromised by women. It has been observed since early 90s, a time of great expansion and turbulence in the industrialized world that saw booming population growth, and the rise in radical ideologies might have changed the view of women and men as the dates are changing according to the different events. And finally, now we are recognizing our tradition and Vedic culture. I wish to bring back and get back to that mutual respect among men and women without gender bias. Finally, agreed to celebrate 8th March as International Women's Day. Once again, happy Women's Day, friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.